how to add YouTube TV to another TV. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can add YouTube TV to another TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to add YouTube TV to another TV, you have to follow these steps. So to watch on select TV devices, you can download YouTube TV app. Watch by opening YouTube TV inside the YouTube app on your TV or stream YouTube TV from your mobile device or computer using a supported device below. So in order to download and sign in to YouTube TV app, download the YouTube TV app to your smart TV or streaming device. If YouTube TV is not pre-installed, you can download the app by going to the App Store on your smart TV. And second thing that you can do is you can watch YouTube TV on your TV by casting or streaming to it from a mobile device or computer. So that's how you can add YouTube TV to another TV. That's all for this video.